jail, she let me call her collect. If she get greedy, I'ma start for the death. Top down, suspect. Fucking this world, and nigga, I ain't coming back. You fucking me wrong, I'm dead off your back. The flight too long, I got a bed off the check. The girls are trolling, I ain't talking about sketch. I play these niggas with a reality check. Prepared for the worst, but still. Yo!
I don't know. Leave the circle.
No! Not you idiot.
Well, they knocked me down. That's what I thought. Boss! No, that's different.
No, I was just on a gun.
Yeah, that's correct.
It's coming back! Yeah! Hey, man! Dude, shoot the dead stuff.
Don't make my blues go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Don't make my blues go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Okay, my girls in cars both so hard. I like the pussy slow and that I can so hard.
For how with it?
Easy. Yo lo voy a meter en YouTube ya porque yo lo voy a meter en YouTube con los tuyos.
Got no words, I ain't got no words, I ain't got no words. So keep me up, so I ain't got no words, I ain't got no words, I ain't got no worries. You see money right there, yeah, that's total, right there, yeah, that's total, right there. We ain't got no worries, you see pussy right there, right there.
Touch the body, man, that's it. Nothing is the computer. Don't touch this. Don't let it touch.
Touchy in this bitch. Everybody should be worried. Them pussy niggas be perfect. Just be digging me out here worried. And if she make this dick hard, she woke up sleeping giant. Man, your bitch speak in tongues. Every time we speak in private, hope your heart was shot open. Cause we got hair. Cause smoke so much that smoke is up there. Have to bear with us in that Jeep with the door knob. That mean that bitch sleep. All these bitches thinking of shit. I sit them up shit's creek. You see touchy right here. Give me great ideas. It's okay if you turn up. Just don't turn off my light years. All I know is I do it. When I'm smoking, I do it. These are plugging. I do it. All that shots not even stupid. On my private jet and my steward. This is your bitch nigga. Bitch nigga. I know gold diggers and bitch niggas. You don't get this, you get this bigger. She say sorry.